Hello everyone, my name is Roos. I'm a member of the European Parliament and Vice President of the European Conservatives and Reformists. And I'm very happy to be attending the Gold Institute's Future of Strategic Alliances conference. Over the last decade, the transatlantic relationship has experienced considerable hiccups. Whatever the difference we have, I believe it's important to continue the dialogue. After all, I believe our fate is tied. I believe we do not only have a shared past, but also a shared future. For this reason, it's so important that representatives from 10 countries are coming together to have these discussions. And I'm very much looking forward to being part of this. See you soon.